Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of food and nutrition. It refers to an edible plant or part of a plant that is commonly consumed as part of a meal. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as vegetable, vegetable, wedge, tar, bowl, vegetable. Vegetable is crucial in maintaining a balanced diet, helping individuals to get essential vitamins and minerals. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about vegetable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.